Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to edit picture in Capcut. Make sure that you have opened your Capcut on your phone and then you can click new project. Okay. And then you can choose the photo that you want to edit right here. Click the photos. And I'm going to choose this photo. And you can click edit photo on the bottom of the screen right here. Click edit photo and wait a second. Alright, and now you can edit your photo, and there are a lot of features on the bottom of the screen, and you just have to swipe your screen like this. For example, if you want to add filters, you can click filters button right here, and you can also add text by clicking text button. Okay, and if you want to save the picture that you have edited, you can click export. Okay, and now we are going to export the picture. Okay, and you can click done. Alright guys, that's the tutorial from me. Thanks for watching.